All right, so when it comes to TikTok monetization, I'm going to tell you the easiest way to get there and what the criteria is. Well, first off, if you want to get into TikTok monetization, it's probably a great way to use a lot of your shorts that may be used for your Facebook Reels or YouTube Shorts. But let's talk about the criteria real quickly here. You've got to be at least 18 years old and you need at least 10,000 followers. You need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days and post videos that are longer than a minute. Now, you've seen people make videos with themselves in it and telling stories. That could work, but we're going to show you how to do it with ChatGPT using basically AI and using something called Pictory. Pictory will allow you to create basically things, video footage, stock footage without you actually being in it. And I'm going to use a voiceover, so I'm not actually going to be in the video at all. So this is what we would call no-face videos. And that's basically what I'm interested in showing you because I don't actually want to be in the video, but I want it to be appealing and interesting. So here's what we're going to do. First off, pick a topic that you're interested in. Once you pick that topic, you can go to ChatGPT and basically come up with a lot of things stemmed off of that topic. Let me show you how that works. So here is ChatGPT. This is something I'm going to want to use to make it a little bit easier when it comes to writing content. However, I'm still going to be concerned about the originality of it. So the niche that I've picked out myself is the trivia niche and specifically horror movies. So scary movies, maybe I want to talk more about the origin of certain characters. Again, you have to pick out what's most comfortable for you. And let's just show you what we would do. Just click on Try ChatGPT. You'll be prompted to a screen here. I'm going to stay logged out. And then what you're going to do is put in the question and how you want it to be written. So because my video for TikTok needs to be a minute or longer, I'm going to say in 200 words, tell me the origin of Frankenstein, but make sure it is copyright free and original. I'll click enter. And this will give me information based on what I can use, but I still, could go through there and I could make it my own. Right? So I've got the meat and potatoes of it, but I could still make it my own. And again, for simplicity's sake, we're just going to take what we have here, and then we're going to head over to Pictory. So Pictory is an AI-based video software program. It's very easy to use. This one is the paid version. I'm going to go from text to video. So I'll go to text to video, and I will go ahead and I will put in the actual text here, but I will separate things accordingly because it's going to be on TikTok, the ratio of it is going to be pretty small. So I don't want all these words on one image, for instance. And it just grabs stock video based on the key words here. So you can still change that, so it's no big deal. All right, so now we're going to click on Proceed. And once we click on Proceed, it starts to create the storyboard. And now it will prompt you to this screen here, but we don't want landscape. We want portrait. It says TikTok Reels Shorts. We'll click on Portrait. And what I can go ahead and do is go to Audio. I'm going to actually take off the background music, so let's click that there. I'm going to go to ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is where I'm actually going to be using the context of the voiceover and change basically my voice to somebody else's voice to make it an interesting background. So once inside, I will go ahead and put the script here, click paste, and then what I'll do is I'll click generate speech, and that will go ahead and do it in a way where I can hear the voice, but I can hear the influx and, however it's being said. This makes my life a whole lot easier having this option. Now, I do have the paid version, but this will make your life a little bit easier for using ElevenLabs. So again, click Generate Speech, and basically we're going to download it here in the corner. And then once it's done, you can go back to Pictory. We've already, we've got the storyboard kind of started. You go to Audio, you go to My Uploads, and then you click here, and this is where you're going to actually grab it from your downloads. And what we did was we did it for the entire video. So you'll hear the voiceover in the entire video. So if we go to visuals, we can actually change any one of these scenes here. So let's say I want to change the first scene and make it look a little darker. So this is just a scary dark castle. And so I click on that, and then the image will change here. Once the images change, I can move it right to left, and I'll show you what will happen. There we go. So I'll click on it twice, and then I'll move it just a little to the left because I want to see the castle a little bit better. But once again, you can change any one of these scenes. Now, if I want to watch the video, I can simply click preview, and that will go ahead and render it down so you can actually hear the audio with the video. Once done, after watching your preview, if that's what you choose to do, you can click download right here. And that will take everything and basically, again, render it all down. Now you're ready to head to TikTok and start uploading your videos. And again, it's as simple as that. If you'd like to learn more about Pictory, you can head to the description box below. Once again, I used Pictory, I used ElevenLabs, and those are like the two main things, the primary things that I use to make my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.